Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my another new study vlog. So today I am going to share another new video. So let's get started with this vlog. So today was 14th of August and in the morning I was attending Siddharth Sir lecture of economics, sectors of Indian economy lecture number 1, and this was the first time I was learning from Siddharth Sir, and he teached so well. Like in the middle of the lecture he is doing comedy also, so in between my mood also get fresh, and his notes were also so good, so I was copying the notes from the lecture only. And that day I was so happy and excited because tomorrow, like the day after, was 15th of August, and on 15th of August all my seniors were going to come for the felicitation program, and as usual Janmashtami was also there. Like a day before only we are doing the puja of that idol and all, so that's why I was so excited that day. And Janmashtami is one of my favorite festival. And how was your Janmashtami? Please tell me in the comment section below. I hope you all have celebrated your Janmashtami festival so very well. And this clip is of 15th of August. Before going to school, it was raining so heavily, and that day my school was up till 10:30. A small program was only there, and today I was so happy because there was no study in school, only just fun and fun. And like in morning it was raining, but after that around 7 o'clock the rain was not there. Then after coming from school, here I started with chemical equations and reactions, NCERT exercise and example question solution. Like I was revising that. Like I have heard from so many people like these are so important, and I have solved this question in sample papers and previous year questions as well. So revising them is really important. And if you have done 80%, not 80%, like if you have done chapter number 1 so clearly, like your concepts are super clear, then 80% chemistry is done of class 10th, because acid, bases and salts, like the same thing is there. And in the metals and non-metals, that that chapter is really so easy. That chapter is going on in my school, and that chapter is really so easy. Like now we have done till properties of metals and non-metals. The same properties we have learned in is matter around us pure in class 9. And recently for Janmashtami, we bought these sweets from Delhi for prasad and all, like the dry fruit laddu, petha, and Mysore pak mango halwa. Like these basic sweets we have bought. And for Janmashtami only, like when we are doing the puja, we have to keep sweets, so that's why we have bought that. And this is the decoration of Janmashtami I have done. I have also put some series in that, and this is the whole decoration. Like now I have turned on the series, and this is how it looks. And these flowers only I have bought from my hometown. And if you like this decoration, please tell me. Then after that, after doing puja, it is looking like this, and it was looking so beautiful. Then after doing all the Janmashtami stuff, like after the program, here I started with English. And in English, here I was reading the Midnight Visitor lesson and the summary from Oswald, and as well as I was also reading Footprints Without Feet, then that summary. And nowadays I am like realizing that my term 1 exams are also so near, and only just few months are left for the board exams, and I haven't even completed my syllabus. And like I'm ignoring English, Hindi subjects so much that I'm not at all studying that. But I have to study that because like each and every subject counts, like each and every effort count. So I have to study all those subjects, and especially the writing practice and all. And in English I haven't even done grammar. Like in grammar also we have to practice so much questions. For 10 marks the grammar will come, and I have to do all the things. and have you completed your syllabus, like how much syllabus you have completed. Please tell me in the comment section below. And that's all for my today's vlog. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Meet you in my next vlog. Bye.